Does a $200 price tag guarantee better heat retention? At Wade Media Labs, we put price aside to measure the raw physics of thermal mass. To find the truth, we analyzed 10 large skillets, from budget workhorses to designer boutique pans, to see which one actually holds its ground under pressure. Thermal mass, or thermal inertia, is a pan's ability to store heat. A pan with high thermal mass won't crash in temperature when you add a cold steak, ensuring a consistent, professional sear. We heated each pan to a uniform 450 degrees. We then introduced a standardized cold protein and used high-resolution infrared sensors to track the thermal recovery time of every unit. The results were a wake-up call. Our $50 budget winner actually showed 30% more thermal stability than the $200 luxury brand. Performance is built, not bought. Why did the budget pan win? It came down to wall thickness and alloy density. The luxury pan prioritized lightweight handling, which unfortunately sacrificed its thermal storage capacity. Only 3 pans emerged as elite heat performers. These winners represent the perfect balance of metallurgical integrity and price to performance ratio. If you're buying for the logo, get the designer set. But if you're buying for the sear, the $50 workhorse is the smarter technical choice. See the full thermal recovery charts, the thickness logs, and our 3 elite heat winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the thermal mass audit.